Hello, little artists! Today, we're going to draw and color this adorable bear holding a jar of honey with a bee on top of his head. Isn't that just so cute? Let's start by drawing the bear's head and body. Grab your pencil and let's begin. Great job so far! Now, let's draw the bear's little paws and the honey jar he's holding. Don't forget the bee sitting on top of the bear's head. You're doing awesome! Just a few more lines and the outline will be finished. Now it's time to color. Let's start with the bear. Color him brown and don't forget to give his cheeks a soft pink. Then, color the honey jar yellow and the bee black and yellow. You're doing an amazing job! Keep going! Look at that! Our bear is all finished and looks so cute with his honey jar and the little bee. You did such an awesome job today. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be a pro artist. See you next time for more fun drawing. Hi, little artists! Today we're going to draw and color this super cute chicken sitting on a nest with eggs. Isn't she just adorable? Let's start by drawing the chicken's body and wings. Grab your pencil and let's begin. Great job so far! Now, let's add the chicken's face and a little comb on top of her head. Don't forget the eggs in the nest and her little feet. You're almost there! Just a few more lines to finish up the outline. Now for the fun part, coloring. Let's start with the chicken. Color her body white, her beak and feet orange, and her little cheeks pink. Then, color the eggs light brown and the nest yellow. You're doing an amazing job! Keep coloring! Look at that! Our chicken looks so cute in her nest with the eggs. You did such an awesome job today. Keep practicing, and you'll be a master artist in no time. See you next time for more fun drawing.